For centuries, classical physics believed the universe was a giant clockwork machine. If you knew the starting position of every atom, you could mathematically predict the future with absolute precision. A single pendulum swings back and forth in a perfect, predictable sine wave. But this dream of perfect predictability was about to be shattered. Add just one more joint to that pendulum, and order turns into absolute chaos. Two double pendulums, starting with a difference of just 0.0001%, will swing together for a brief moment, before diverging into completely different, chaotic paths. This is the butterfly effect. In a chaotic system, the future is mathematically unpredictable. This is the heart of symmetry and chaos. Order and chaos are not opposites. They are two sides of the same mathematical coin. We think we can control the future, but chaos is the natural state of our universe. When in doubt, trust the numbers, embrace the chaos. Subscribe to explore more mathematical mysteries, and watch our next recommended video.